Hey gang, Poppy here. It's October 10th, 2019 and 3:32. I should be just waking up in the 5th floor hospital room in St. Helena after my heart surgery. But due to the uncaring heartlessness and overpowering greed of pernicious graft and extortion, better known as PG&E, but in California, pernicious graft and extortion, they know what you're talking about. Turn off the electricity. Oh, the winds are high. There might be a fire.
Wires may cause a fire.
Why don't you try maintaining your fucking wires? Cutting the limbs of trees that are fooling with your wires. And there's the other thing. Bury the goddamn wires in the ground!
That's what I was gonna say.
But the stockholders who buy because, oh, it's going to make me money, I have to do nothing, they're greedy. They don't want to spend on maintenance and safety. They didn't learn their lesson 20 years ago when PG&E got sued by the state of California for causing wildfires because of non-maintenance on the goddamn wires and trees.
Don't forget the gas explosion.
And the gas explosions. God damn. P, G, and E.